Welcome to Tim's Menu. This is Tim, and today we're making ground turkey tacos. Now we've got some 937 ground turkey, really good protein source, low in fat. We're going to add some spices, some kale, and a secret ingredient, cottage cheese. It's going to be really creamy. All right, let's see how this menu item is made. So we've got about 26 ounces of turkey, 937 turkey. We're going to try to get this meat all browned up. I got my little Chinese hot pot stove here. It's kind of cute. I like the color. We're going to try to brown this meat up. It's a small pan. Normally we'd be using a big pan, but we really don't. We don't have that option right here. So we're adding our 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt. We're going to add about a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of onion powder. Oh, I didn't dry it again. Man, I really have a bad habit of that. And a tablespoon of paprika. These are really kind of like the core spices that you want to have: salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. We're going to add a little bit of chili garlic sauce. We like things spicy here, but you don't have to add it. Now we're going to get all these ingredients all mixed up and blended and joining each other in a little harmonious thing. We're going to hit that with high heat. As you can see, as we flip that over, we don't have too much browning there, but it can't be helped at this time. Well, we're almost there. Getting kind of mixed up, got some liquid going. Now we're going to add the cottage cheese. It's really going to add more moisture to that. And we're going to add some cornstarch so that all that liquid binds together. Here's our kale. If you want to add more, that's perfectly fine. It's got good protein, but there's just not a lot of it. But it's going to give us a little bit of our veggies. Well, that's all going to mix well together, and then as it cooks, the cottage cheese is going to dissolve. Cottage cheese is really a fantastic secret ingredient. Man, and it's piping hot for sure. Couple of more stirs. Let's go ahead and add that cornstarch so we can get that liquid all binded to the meat. Always remember, put your cornstarch in when it's all boiling. Probably could have added a few more greens, but it does look pretty. There we go, all nice and congealed. Man, just want to eat it right there, but man, that would burn your tongue. Turn the heat off. Now we've got our taco shell here. I usually use the Mission Zero zero carb taco shells, but I kind of made one out of a larger shell. We're going to put a big tablespoon of meat there. Now remember, we've got our veggies and our cottage cheese, so it's creamy, a little bit of veggies, a little bit of spicy. Now we're going to add some chips to this, and you could also have a little taco meat on the side, a little salsa, and you've got some nachos. Well, those were some mighty tasty tacos for sure, and we've got lots of leftovers. The kids are going to be happy for the next couple of days. Now, in the fat loss phase, ground turkey is your friend, and we make lots of things out of it: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. All right, well, I appreciate you stopping by, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next menu item.